We just bought a house, but this isn't just any house. This house is one of the oldest in our fair city and dates back to the 1850s. So this beauty has seen a lot of action. And when I say we bought a house, I mean us as in us, oh, and these guys. That's right, our beautiful family of 6 is gearing up for its next chapter. And over the next 6 months or so, this baby is getting a makeover so that we can turn this into this. Oh, sorry, we're not time travelers, guys. We actually haven't started this reno yet. Over the next few months, we're gonna take this home into the next century with a completely new interior, including kitchen, bathrooms, flooring, lighting, insulation, right down to every last detail. And we'll continue to honor its past by keeping its exterior intact. What makes this classic Victorian the ultimate reno project is that we're focusing our priorities beyond just the aesthetics and function of the home. We're focusing on making choices for our family's health and the health of our one and only planet. That's right, this is a build that's all about sustainability, and we'll show you how we did it every step of the way. So stay tuned for more as we bring this classic Victorian into this century while getting it ready for the next. See you soon. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe by clicking the button below, and also check out buildwithrise.com, the only place to turn any home improvement project into a sustainable one.